Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said he will meet US President Donald Trump in Florida on Sunday. He expressed hope in his tweet that a lot could be decided before the new year as Washington pushes diplomatic efforts to end the war with Russia. Zelensky has said that sensitive issues, including any compromises on territory, should be discussed at the level of heads of state, and Kyiv has been seeking a face-to-face meeting with Trump. He also held talks with Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff and the president's son-in-law Jared Kushner on Thursday. The Israeli military has released footage that show tunnel networks used by Hamas in the Gaza Strip. The army said it dismantled more than 4 kilometers of underground tunnel routes in northern Gaza. The military added in a statement that tunnels were used by the Hamas terrorist organization for terror activities, operating against Israeli forces. Former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak was found guilty of abuse of power in a multi-dollar 1MDB scandal. The judge had yet to deliver the full verdict and sentencing. Malaysia and US investigators say at least $4.5 billion was stolen from One Malaysia Development Berhad, a state fund Najib co-founded in 2009 while in office. Thailand's defense minister will join ongoing talks with Cambodia on Saturday that could lead to a truce as the border clashes between the two Southeast Asian neighbors continued for a third week. If an agreement is reached, the two countries will make a peace in line with the previous pact brokered with the help of US President Donald Trump. Shortly after coming to power, the Taliban regime ordered all cinemas to stop operating. Kabul's Ariana Cinema was demolished, which first opened to moviegoers in the early 1960s. Taliban has imposed a harsh interpretation of Islamic law, which has introduced a raft of restrictions, including bans on most forms of entertainment such as films and music.